So I'm just going to go over the multiplication tables for computer architecture. Um, so this diagram here, you don't exactly need to do anything with it. It doesn't really, you don't have to read it for this problem. It's kind of a little bit of a red herring. You will need it for future problems, but not for this one, so don't get too held up on it. So the first step is you're given this first iteration, the zero iteration every time, is you go to iteration one, and then you check your least significant bit of the multiplier. Now, the least significant bit here is one, and so we add. And we're going to add the multiplicand to the product. So we're just going to rewrite this here, rewrite this thing, because we're not doing any work on this part. And then we're going to add 3 here, because this number is 3, and that number is 0, right? So we're going to make this into, you know, just going to add it. Put too many zeros. And there's not supposed to be there's not supposed to be 9 zeros there. Okay, so now we go to the next step, which is we shift it. And we're going to shift this one, the multiplier, to the right. So it's going to shift. We're going to lose one of these ones, and it's going to become this. And the multiplicand is going to shift to the left instead of to the right. So we're going to get 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. And the product will stay the same because we're not doing anything to the product currently. Now we go on to, that's the first iteration. Now we're going to go to the second iteration. The least significant bit is still 1. So now we're going to add again. We're going to add the multiplicand to the product. This is 6, and this is 3. So we're going to have, the product is going to be 9. So then what is that? That's 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That's 9. And then we just keep the multiplicand the same. And then we're going to shift again. We're going to shift this to the right and that to the left. So this is going to become 0, 1, 0, 0. I mean, 0, 0, 1, 0. And this one's going to become 0, 0, 0, 0, 11, 0, 0. And the product will stay the same. Now we're going to go to iteration 3. Now, our least significant bit is 0 now. That means we no add. We do not add anything. And so we're just going to rewrite everything pretty much because we're not going to do any addition to these numbers. And then we're still going to shift afterwards. So this again is going to shift to the right, and this is going to shift to the left, and these stay the same. Now we go to iteration 4. Now the least significant bit is 1 again. So we are going to add. Now this number, oh wait, this number is 24, 16, 8, yep, 24. This is 9. What is 9 plus 24? 33. So this number becomes 0, 0, 1, 0. Yeah, 32 plus 1. And then this gets written down the same way. And then we're going to shift one last time. And then 0, 0, 0. And so our product that we get in the end is 33. And 11 times 3, which you do it up here, you can double check your answer by doing this math. You can always know if you're right or wrong on these. So your answer is 33, and that's how this